Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Goat Simulator 3 in split-screen mode. First, gather your friends and connect up to 4 controllers to your gaming system. Whether you're on a console or PC, having all controllers ready is the essential initial step. Once connected, simply launch Goat Simulator 3 from your game library. Make sure everyone is prepared for some truly chaotic fun before diving into the game. Once the game is running, navigate to the main menu. You can choose to start a brand new adventure or continue an existing save file. As soon as the game loads, have your friends press any button on their connected controllers. This action will seamlessly add them to the game. Each player can then personalize their goat, selecting from various hilarious options before the mayhem begins. With everyone successfully joined, the screen will automatically divide into individual sections, giving each player their own view of the action. You and your friends can now explore the expansive open world, complete various objectives, and cause widespread destruction as a team. Get ready for unique physics, unexpected glitches, and countless hilarious multiplayer interactions that make Goat Simulator 3 so much fun. To truly maximize your split-screen experience, consider playing on a larger television. This provides better visibility for all players, especially when the screen is divided into 4 sections. Don't forget to communicate with your fellow goat friends. Coordinating your stunts and chaos can lead to even more hilarious outcomes. Finally, experiment with all the different goat abilities and mutations for endless entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.